This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Today is Monday, February 14th, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at Star Bulk Carriers. This is a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading under ticker SBLK. This is a classic bottom play. You can see indicators are getting buried, support levels being established. Seeing a little bit of uptrend in the MACD histogram. Tell us we're closing in on a bullish cross, so we want to keep an eye on that. Same way with the PPO. Not deep. You can see that PPO is only at -3, but sometimes it doesn't go super deep. And the ADX is only up around 40. We're going to look for a flattening of that ADX. Classic pincher kind of formation, though. You can see through here it was kind of an offset pinch. Again, not super deep. Take a look. See it performed very well. I always like to check history on it and see how it performed when the situation was similar in the past. See, we've got a long-term downtrend going on with the MFIs. Trying to climb back up over 20 at this point. Again, there's where it was last time. You can see a downtrend was going on. Made a nice bounce. We're going to look for that similar kind of thing. If you follow that MFI 21, that gold line, you see that downtrend coming through there. That's a big thing we're going to look for being broken. Great uptrend overall in the accumulation distribution. Shaking money flow, basically held in the green the whole time, telling you buying pressure's still been coming into this stock. Bottom feeders are going to look for that break of -100. You can see it's trying to flatline right out, trying to break its way through. So we're going to pay attention to that, see if it's going to poke back up above -100. Pulse goes down on the bottom, but we already know that this can trend down here for a long time. We're just going to look for this, try and break back 320 at this point, try and get some momentum coming into the stock. Tricks have definitely been on a solid slide. Still too early to really pick anything up from the tricks. This is a possible bottom. It's going to come down to the candles, that pinch playing out. Things like this RSI trying to work their way back up, come out of oversold territory. Looks like it's trying to turn, though. Things are trying to turn because this is holding this base. I'd definitely look for that 242 to hold. See, even going back into here 9 months ago, it was a little bit of support as well. So that's a good stop loss area, nice and tight. I'd like to really see this hold over top of 245, start to put together some sort of turn today. Let's see if we can get some kind of pop out of these volume bars. It doesn't have to be anything huge, but to see a little bit more buying pressure come in and have this start to twist and turn would be a good thing to show that buyers are seeing this as a good opportunity. This isn't going to really meet a whole lot of resistance until it gets up here around 265. Pretty good base area back in December. So we talk about it's got a pretty decent upside of around 10%. Very close stop loss if it fails. It's a really nice chart to keep an eye on. It's similar to the Martha Stewart one that got about a 3% bounce on Friday. Of course, we'll look for continuation in that chart as well. But right through here, it's setting up a pretty nice base, and I think that Star Bulk is one to keep an eye on. See if it's going to put any kind of reversal to it. Shippers have definitely been struggling over the last couple months. But from a technical standpoint, this is setting up pretty nice to try and put together a reversal and then possibly an uptrend afterwards. Let's look for the initial bounce, look for support to hold. Look, see if this can go up here, challenge this 20-day, and certainly try and challenge 265 throughout the next few days. So I'll be keeping an eye on SBLK and see where this goes. As always, merely my interpretation of the chart. This is Andy of Quality Stocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.